All right, and welcome to the Universal Guide to Transversals Level 3. Now, it says given angle 1, and there's actually something left out of this that it should be telling you. It should actually be telling us that this line right here is parallel to this line right here and parallel to this line right there. So, my mistake. But yeah, so if we understand that all three lines are parallel and we have this transversal cutting through it, well, we know that we can apply all of our properties of transversals. And so let's go and label what it's telling us. It says given angle 1 is 5x plus 6. Okay, so there's angle 1, 5x plus 6. And angle 2 is 7x minus 14. Aha, 7x minus 14. Now from here, let's use a different color. We want to know how these two, let's first ask ourselves, what is the question asking? And the question is asking us to find the measure of angle 3. So I noticed that angle 3 is right over here. Okay, so what are we going to do? Well, the first thing, put a little question mark there, is we want to use our circle X trick. So let's just do a circle right here, X right there, circle X. Now let's follow the same pattern all the way around. Circle X, circle X. However, because of this third parallel line, we actually have to do this one more time. Circle X, circle X. Okay. And so at this point, what we can see is that this angle 1 is an X, and this angle 2 is also an X from this pattern, which means we can actually just set these two things equal to each other. 5x plus 6 is equal to 7x minus 14. Now at this point, I'm sure you are an absolute pro at this, so what I would encourage you to do, pause the video, solve for x on your own, and then restart the video and see if you did it correctly. Okay, so what should we get rid of first, our variables or our constants? Let's go ahead and get rid of this 5x, our variable first, minus 5x minus 5x. And now we have 6 equals 7x minus 5x is 2x. And so I've got a bit of a glare in here today, and this is a minus 14. Okay, from here, I'll just ask myself, what should I get rid of next? This multiplication or the subtraction? And remember, we always get rid of subtraction first. So the opposite of minus 14 would be plus 14. So let's go ahead and add 14 to both sides. And 6 plus 14 will give us 20. Now from here, to get rid of the multiplication, we have to divide by 2. And we get x equals 10, which is pretty nice. Okay. So now this is where this is a tricky problem. What we have are x's from our x pattern, and what we need is a circle. So ask yourself this question: how in the world will I find the measure of angle 3? And what we want to do is take either one of these, it doesn't matter. So let's use the easier one. Let's use the 5x plus 6. 5x plus 6. Let's go ahead and add in the 10. And of course, 5 times 10, I gave it away. 5 times 10 is 50, plus 6 is equal to 56 degrees. So I know that this is 56 degrees. I know that this is 56 degrees. I know that this x right here is 56 degrees. And notice, remember, whenever we have an x and a circle, they both add up to 180. And the reason is because they are on a straight line. So all we have to do to finish this problem is simply, let's come over here to finish the problem. All we have to do is do 180 minus 56. And 180 minus 56 is 124 degrees. And there we go. Angle 3 is equal to 124 degrees. I hope this helps. Just use the circles and the x's for these problems and determine, should you take your two expressions and set them equal, or should you add them up to 180. Alright, I'll see y'all in our level 4 video.